guys, I bought these zip ties to cover my balcony with this cover screen. I was looking for perfect size. This is I think there was 14 inches long, and I chose the white color. It's different colors. So let me show you quality. It's actually durable. It's a good luck, and plus perfect white for me, and lens of course. All right, let's fix my balcony. It's very tight. Perfect. And perfect for my white balcony. It was so super tight. Guys, I will definitely recommend you to buy these zip ties. Great quality, super durable, easy to use, and perfect lens. It comes in different sizes actually. You can always find it on Amazon.